voices rise like the gale on this fateful night. Together we stand, our chorus of force, defiant and strong, we steer our course. We rise like the tempest, fierce ancient fire, our legacy written in stars and in fire. Boldly we venture where tales are untold, the salt on our lips and the future we mold. Through tempest we claim what's beyond the horizon, a world to unveil, a new era to summon. Raise the flag, set the sails near a heart rendered cold for glory and gold. Behold the dawn of our voyage bold. Set sails to unknown, brave the fierce waves, herald the age, navigate by the stars. Carrying hope in the vast sea we thrive, uncharted realms where our legends arise. Crossing the edge of the world's end, ancient horizons will bend. To the cries of the gulls, in the grip of the wind, with compass in hand, our journey begins. Portuguese hearts, with unyielding souls, navigating dreams and sea monsters of old. For honor and kingdom, or boundless domains, with courage like steel, through the unyielding rains. Myths of old, they stir, they wake. Against the steel our fates we stake. Fields of strife where honors blade, by moonlit night or sunlight's fade. A Sagas sung, the battle's fray. In twilight's hold, we'll find our way. Ghosts of past echo through the Iberian blade, marked by time from green to gray, green to gray, green to gray. What will dawn reveal for me? What's today? Beneath the voice of ancient kings, blood and steel are offering, forged in fires that burn unseen. In dreams of glory we convey, for every scar is told. Brothers sing in the heart of winter's rage. Winter's rage, a warrior spirit can't be caged. Through the mist of swords arise, in the face of doom a battle cries. Tempest winds, they call our names. In a dance of death we stake our claims. Steel and will embraced in great of steel and will. Never abandon. Their chants are loud, the foe in sight. Raise the shield, invoke your might. The spirits guide through the night. You've been chosen from earth. Toss roaring overture, so wild and free. As the moon commands the tide of the sea, warriors rise as the echo starts to swell. On this battlefield where fate will cast its spell, with a chant that harkens back to ancient lore. Voices merge in a symphony of war. Howls, fierce and feral, into the dark and deep. Wolves amidst the folkloric weave. Ancient strings with death metal bite. Forging fires where myths unite. Shielded hearts from sacred soil rise. Beneath the Lusitanian sky's disguise. Storms ahead, our pagan anthems ring, loud and clear. Underneath the crescent steel will sing. Whispers of the elders fill the night, as we march entwined by destiny's ride. Raging swords let the tempest see. Ancient power flows through you and me. Raging swords let the tempest see. Beneath the gaze of golden stars, starry night, a will ignites like fires in our hearts. Legends told from generations worn. In every note, our mythic sagas born. Ghosts of history, hear our battling cry. Wisdom in the wind as our arrows fly.
In the heart of the storm, we stand defiant, together as one, against the tide of silence. Her voice, like thunder, his roar the clash of steel. Furies unleashed on this battlefield.
Through echoes of sorrow, we rise, we fight. An anthem for the fallen under the dying light. With every strike, a choice is made. Pounding hearts, the rhythm of the brave. Her chants of war, piercing through the night. His grip so strong on destiny, we take flight. Through storms of rage, we stand defend. A record for the broken, this war will never end. By moonlight's kiss, our swords are drawn. In shadows we trust till the break of dawn. Through hallowed hills, in silence we march. A symphony of fire, and the stars so arch. Our spirits entwine with the old Lord, as we pledge our might to the battle's core. Shadows loom in twisted turns. Veil the shame, rise through darkness, fight the dawn, claim the crown of thorns withdrawn. Echoes call from ancient urns, battles rage, the old world churns, forge ahead through endless night, guided by an inner light. Warriors born in steel we're sworn, onward to the day we're reborn. In the forge of fate, where flames unbound, every strike, every cry, a thunderous sound. Embrace the chaos in the dance of war, tales of valor in our blood forevermore. Raise your swords to skies of flame. In the heart of battle, we carve our name. Glinting on the Lusitanian sun, sons of Iberia, they stand as one, drawing strength from the earth they tread. Viriathus leads his spearhead from the hilltops, eyes ablaze with the fury of ancestral ways. Clad in iron, shields and rage, Lusitanian might set the stage. Hewn from rock and ancient faith, a warrior's heart is supposed to flame against the surge of Roman waves. Defiant cry through mist and haze. They chant the names, of gods long gone, a sacred trust. In whispered oath, their blades they thrust. The Lusitanian pride in battle shown. Viriathus' echo in steel is cloned. On bloody soil, they claim their fate. A name, chanting the throne, and will teach us climb the sowing thing. Stories, when all is lost around the beast. I size alive to rest the realm, blood and brine, come around. The rolling eerie, a burst around. Bloody soil, they claim their fate. A name, chanting the throne, and will teach us climb the sowing thing. Stories. forged my path through frostbite winds, my steel is tried. Traverse the land of bitter cold where legends bide. Ragnarok calls, I heed the fight to Valhalla bound. In twilight's grasp I raise my sword to fate, I'm crowned eternal night.